So we'll graph this one first. We can tell because it's an x squared, it's going to be a parabola, so we're expecting a little u, and we know that its vertex would be 0, -1, because there's nothing adding and subtracting to the x, so 0, -1. In fact, the directions say to plot it for x is greater than or equal to 0 anyway. That's right in the directions. So when we start our xy table, we're just going to put in this 0 first, and then maybe a 1 and a 2. So if I put in 0, I get 0 squared minus 1. That's -1, so I'll have the point 0, -1. If I put in a 1, I'll have 1 squared minus 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so I'll have the point 1, 0. If I put in 2, I'll have 2 squared minus 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3, so I'll have the point 2, 3. So when I go to graph these, oops, should have had this done. Alright, so I'm going to plot the point 0, -1. So here's 0, -1, 1, 0, and 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to put the points on the other side because it just says the x's are greater than or equal to 0, so I won't take my free points over here. I'll just connect these with a u, and there's that first parabola. Now he also says to graph the inverse, and an inverse just switches the x and the y. So instead of plotting 0, -1, I'm going to plot -1, 0. Instead of plotting 1, 0, I'm going to plot 0, 1. And instead of plotting 2, 3, I'll plot 3, 2. So I have the point -1, 0, 0, 1, and 3, 2. Connect those, and there's your inverse.